Hey Solomon, this is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So we're going to take a quick look at your website, see what's going on, see if we can't give you some tips and tricks. Okay, so first off, right off the bat, um, where's your name? It's Oaks Construction. Where is that? And then where's a great logo? Go to Canva, create yourself a free username, and create yourself a free logo. And you can, it's so versatile, it'll come out wonderful. But anyway, you got home, about, services. It's a drop down menu, which is excellent, and then contact us. Most people don't care for this anymore. I don't know why people still have it. It's an outdated feature. I would probably just put your phone number over here so people can click on it. Remember, you're trying to get people to your site. They want to click here, see what services they're looking for this one, and then they want to click your phone number or click on that, read it, and then click your phone number. But I do like this. Contact us for a free estimate. You're letting them know what it is. Hey, I'm looking for roofing. That's perfect. I love that. Call us at this number. Unfortunately, here's the thing: people don't like pulling their phone out and actually typing in a number. I don't even know if people know how to do that anymore. So you definitely want it as a click to call. You want them to click on it and call you. But here's what I'm noticing: these numbers are great, but I'm not seeing anything about what you actually do. Home remodeling and construction is a huge thing, but there's so much individuality to it, like a bathroom remodeling or like electrician or plumbing. I know I can see that by services over here, but unfortunately, people you can't overestimate. So we got to figure out how to let them know that that's going on. Now you did have one that was get a quote. I go, okay, that's fine. No, not gonna comment. This isn't even a click to call either. Oh, Solomon, you're making me mad. But no, you're fine. So anyway, that's what big thing is content, right? Google wants to see about 1,500, 2,000 words of content on your homepage alone. What you want to do with that is you want to be able to scroll down over here and have your content for your services there. So you want to talk about kitchen remodeling. Hey, are you tired of seeing the same old stuff all the time? Well, guess what? We have had massive success in showing you the dreams you really want. So you wake up every day and admire the kitchen you walk into. Something like that. But kind of making it, more of a conversation in a way as well for them to read. But let's take a look at the back end over here, see what's going on, see what we can do, right? So right off the bat, a UR rating is how strong your website link is. Um, it's a 1. DR rating is 0, which is how much Google trusts you. So it could be your site is brand new, it could be it's open for a while, you just haven't done a lot with it. But you have 26 backlinks, and a backlink is backlinks are what's gonna raise your UR and DR rating. Now you have 26 backlinks. Not a backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else that somebody can click on and it'll refer back to you. That's a referring domain when it comes back. Now you have 26 of them. Not all are created equal. Some are more some are more spammy than others, like BuzzFeed or Wikipedia. So you definitely want to watch out for those. And then finally, we got organic keywords. So an organic keyword is what somebody might put into Google to find a service they're looking for. So you had to, I guess, one is gone, but Oaks construction is not exactly a keyword because anyone in the United States can type that in, and so yeah, you're servicing off in San Antonio, but they can be in like I don't know Florida. So you definitely want to be careful of that. And this one might just be in Australia. Anyway, let's take a look at what a good buyer intent keyword is. Kitchen remodeling, San Antonio, right? I'm looking for a kitchen remodeler in San Antonio, Texas. So it's somebody who's looking to buy. So right off the top, we got these Google guaranteed. We got, and they're paid for ads. We got more ads over here. So if you do the ads correctly, you can come off on top very well. If you do them incorrectly, it'll hurt and cost you a lot of money. Palmer Todd is paying an ad to be in the top of the GMB, but here we have the GMB, Google My Business Profile. And you definitely want to be in here. About 30 to 40% of all people searching for anything will click on one of these guys. Now, we're going to scroll through, and OMG Kitchen is the first person in the organic search for this. So they are doing really good. Legacy, bath, and kitchen. The idea is if people, you can't think people are just going to type in, reconstruct home remodeling, right? You got to assume they're typing in for specific services. That's the point of being a remodeler, is that you're so versatile. But you got to type it, you got to search, you got to not search, but you got to be ranking for each of those individual things. So here they have their website, OMG Kitchen Remodel and Bath Remodeling. I'll put it all the way to the left here. Again, they lose a ton of points because I don't see their phone number, which I'm mad about. They do have a blog and their services are dropped down, but there's more to it than that. Like, it's not just kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling. I'm pretty sure they do a whole bunch of different stuff. Call now, which is their actual number. Now you want to show their number so that you can actually know it's a local number. Who are we? Who we are, which is talking about them. That's fine. Recent renovation and work. So here they're talking about what they're doing, right? A little bit, right? I would probably put a lot more than just that, but hey, who am I to say anything? But flooring, lighting, see, they do more than just what it was. They do kitchen flooring. They even do that. So why aren't they letting people know in that drop down menu? So that's where they're going to lose. More service, more talking about what they do, or like testimonials and stuff. And then you finally get to the end. So now I only see their number over here, which is the same as, okay, so they don't actually, these aren't numbers, which is foolish. They just leave to other pages. But let's take a look at the back end, see why they're beating you out. So they have a 28 UR rating, which is really good. You definitely want them in the 30s and 40s. They have a DR rating of 6 with 1,690 backlinks. Now, just because I have a lot of backlinks doesn't mean anything. Like I said, they could be very spammy. They don't even have 10% referring domains. And because I have a 60R rating, I'm going to assume that many of these are very spammy. So definitely don't look at it and say, oh, I only have 3. I can't beat that. No, no, no. You just need quality. They also have 293 organic keywords. Now, if you're doing your organic keywords correct, you should have double to triple the amount of organic traffic. Now, they have 293 keywords. Let's take a look. So kitchen remodeling, San Antonio. That's kind of what I put up top over there. 300 people a month search for that. They're getting 110 of those people, and they're in position 2. So, wow. Now, they also have OMG Kitchen and Bath Remodeling. It's an international keyword. No one will know to click on that unless they're a repeat customer. So it's not really something I would focus on at all. But something like this is great. Kitchen remodeling, San Antonio, Texas. Boom. It's a different variation of San Antonio, but it works. 300 a month. They're getting 22 because they're in position number 4. So positioning is very, very important. So how does this really help you out, Solomon? Honestly, all we got to do is we got to get better. We got to get content, right? We got to have more content on your homepage talking about relevant stuff. In the content, we got to get good keywords that talk about exactly what it is you're doing. Finally, we got to get more backlinks. Take the good ones from OMG Kitchen and Bath, put them on yours, use what they're using, and then you should be fine. But that'll help you really increase the ranking. Imagine if you can just bring in 50 people a month to your website. What would that do for you? Anyway, that's all I got. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.